On the planet Perseus 8, the elementary school students' homework is surprisingly to conquer a planet with the help of their parents. They chose Earth, the weakest of the planets. Seeing the situation turning dire, the president immediately surrenders. Ler, the alien leader, states that they can go back to watching TV if they destroy something important. However, when JR looks at the beautiful buildings, he can't bring himself to destroy them, so he opts to destroy the president's clone instead. The president was very angry and cut off trade between the two planets, especially the TV broadcasts. However, the professor needs a special herb from Perseus 8 to treat his rheumatism, so Fry and the crew head to the planet to gather herbs. They split into pairs to collect the herbs, but wherever Bender goes, the herbs light up. It seems like it's Bender's electric field making the herbs glow. Fry discovered a palace and asked Bender to notify him when he left. The alien patrol notices their presence, and Bender, being the first to escape, lies and says Fry went to the bathroom. He then takes off in the spaceship. Lure that they must have just left, as the ground is still warm. Fry, left behind, is spotted by Jur. Rather than harming him, Jur offers him food and they become friends. Fry suddenly felt homesick, so Jur took him to find a communication device. They arrived at the junkyard, and Fry arranged an SOS with discarded materials. By chance, the drunk Bender saw the signal and immediately set off to rescue Fry. Meanwhile, Lore discovers Fry and orders his son to finish him off to toughen it up. But Jur, now seeing Fry as a friend, lets him go and escapes with him on the bike. Suddenly, Fry falls seriously ill, so Jur takes him to a doctor. The doctor diagnoses him with food poisoning and gives him some herbal medicine. Lure arrives and orders his son to kill Fry, but Jur defies his father, and Lure, pleased with his son's rebelliousness, decides he'll be the one to handle it. The doctor, however, says there's no need because Fry is already dead. Just then, Bender arrives. His unique magnetic field activates the herbs, reviving Fry. In the end, Fry tearfully says goodbye to the little monster and follows Bender back to Earth.